This is the future, is what we're doing. The future's here.
Right now we're doing kind of like our midterm flight test right now for this drone class that we're in. So we're practicing flying forward, flying backwards, having control over that, gaining elevation, decreasing, taking photos, videos, things like that, and some of the turns.
I think it's really, really cool how almost easy it is. Not as challenging and like scary as I thought it would be. Just being able to take your time and having the drone be able to stop and just pause, and you be able to maneuver how you need to, and it not just immediately fall out of the sky or shoot off in some random trajectory. So it's really nice having that ease and just being able to use it on your phone too.
With drones, this technology is getting a lot more accessible, and we can get a much more detailed data.
So basically we're talking about how we can use drone videos and LiDAR footage and things like in scans to basically map out an area, and we can look at things like water erosion, land erosion, tree development, where animals are habitating in canopies, things like that. So it's just taking drones and making it more accessible to our field work in the future.
And so these students are learning how to get their license. So we're all actually FAA Part 107 pilots, and when they finish this class, they'll have that knowledge to be able to complete that and be certified as a pilot.
I personally love the hands-on aspect. It like definitely helps my learning. I'm such a visual and hands-on person, so I think it's really important to be able to integrate that into these courses, and especially for majors in resource management, which is something that's very close to mine. So I just appreciate the ability to learn and be hands-on, so it's a really awesome opportunity.
I'm a firm believer in experiential learning, like getting out there and getting hands-on and having fun, right? So if you're having fun, you're learning. Like when you're not having fun, you may not be learning. But I think it's a hallmark to how our college works. I think if I could spend my life outside of the classroom with students, that's what I would do.